hapon po sa inyong lahat. It is with great pride for Central Escolar University to host UCAL Season 8. This gathering of our member institutions is more than a showcase of athletic skill. It is a celebration of sportsmanship, camaraderie, and our shared pursuit of excellence. As we open this season, we reaffirm our commitment to promote healthy competition, mutual respect, and values that define through athletic competition. May every game inspire discipline, determination, and unity among all the athletes and participants. To the athletes, coaches, officials, and supporters, thank you for bringing your passion and school spirit to this season. May the experiences you gain here create memories and friendships that will endure beyond the playing field. Memories and friendships of a lifetime. Congratulations to everyone who made UCAL Season 8 possible. May this edition stand as a lasting testament to the strength of collegiate athletics and the bright future of our student athletes. Magandang hapon po.